I recently was in the market for a new microphone and the BM800 caught my eye for under £40. The microphone looked very appealing, it was cheaply priced, and looked very good. So if you are looking for an inexpensive microphone, the BM800 is a great choice as it is a condenser microphone, captures more detail and low volumes than your typical dynamic microphone. For the average person, the BM800 is a great choice. However, if you are looking for something that is crystal clear, you may want to save up more. BM800 looks good. It has metal housing made out of whips of steel net with the microphone in the middle. On the bottom of the microphone, the XLR port is standard one made from metal. It has a clip on it that allows the lead to clip into the microphone and stay in place. The microphone comes with a windscreen which is made of nice material and a black cloth guard ringed with plastic but nice feeling. It's easy to set up. It took me around 2 minutes and no tools are required. The bloom is easy to put together and stays in place. The shock mount is tight and the microphone does not move. In general, build quality is excellent for the microphone. The bottom of the clamp is padding so your table doesn't get damaged. You can rotate the microphone away from you if you aren't using it. Typically the condenser microphones, you will want to get a microphone preamp such as this one in order to supply the full 48 volts to the microphone and really get the best out of it if you plan to use this microphone for singing music or podcasting. It would probably be a good idea. I only use the microphone for talking to friends, so I didn't really think that it was worth buying a preamp simply to make yourself sound nicer to my friends. Therefore, I simply used the microphone plugged into the 3.5mm audio jack on my motherboard, and I have a dedicated sound card which is Sound Blaster A9 and used for software boosting. This would likely be your setup if you are looking for a cheaper microphone too. The microphone has a frequency response range of around 20 Hz to 20 kHz and testing confirmed this. The microphone was able to pick up very high and low frequency sounds and a sensitivity of minus 34 decibel to plus minus 3 decibel. Output impedance is 150 ohm plus minus 30% and is not variable. The microphone sounds good even when underpowered and no phantom power. It picks up finer details that previous microphones I've used have missed. My previous microphone was a Boya M1 microphone, which is a clip microphone. Anyways, there is minimal noise in the background. The microphone isn't as warm as more pricey microphones. However, it still has a nice level of depth and warmth for the price point with a preamp. The result would be even more impressive. To conclude, the BM800 is a great microphone. If you are limited budget wise, it works well without a preamp and results would be better with one. Construction is great. Everything is made out of metal and feels very high quality and can take a beating. Note that the microphone has no onboard adjustment, no power volume, impedance adjustments, nothing. However, I have not found this an issue, especially when regarding this price point and in fact like the simplicity. If you are starting out as a YouTuber, podcaster or require something better than a headphone microphone, give the BM800 a look. I have been impressed with both the build and audio quality that the microphone delivers and really enjoying to use it. So let's talk about BM800. Being a condenser mic can capture more information and ambience at lower levels than any dynamic mic. BM800 is an excellent microphone for those with a restricted budget. It works fine without a preamp, but with one the results would even better. There is not much technical knowledge needed to work around with the microphone setting up. The microphone is simple and takes no more than a few minutes to complete according to this BM800 condenser microphone review. The usage of phantom power to power the BM800 condenser microphone is strongly recommended. As a consequence, you will be able to capture audio without needing to boost the input gain when recording, which will decrease background noise and result in much better audio. Let's talk about noise reduction. The microphone features an excellent noise cancellation system that eliminates any background noise in your audio. You will also receive the pop filter, which gives it a more natural look. Microphone's steadiness is great because it does not create a lot of self noise. Stability, the microphone is extremely sturdy and produces no self noise when used with a stand or table, as we observed in this BM800 condenser microphone review. The ability to move around the table is quite versatile. And the frequency, the microphone has a frequency response range around 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which was validated during testing. The microphone could pick up very high and low frequency sounds and sensitivity of 34 decibel to 3 decibel. The output impedance is 150 plus minus 30% and is constant. Even when weak and without phantom power, the mic sounds nice. It picks up finer information that prior microphones have missed, and there is very little background noise. Although the mic is not as soft as more expensive microphones, it still offers a good amount of depth and warmth for the price, according to this BM800 condenser microphone review. The results would be considerably better if you used a preamp. Using with an amp with condenser microphones, you will often want to purchase a microphone preamp like this is one to give the full 48 volts to the microphone and get the most out of it. It is probably a good idea if you want to use this microphone for singing music or podcasting. If you just use the microphone to chat with friends, we do not believe it is worth it to get a preamp only to make yourself sound better to them, according to our BM800 condenser microphone review. Switches for controlling bass, pad and attenuation are available on the microphone. If the microphone has more switches, you have more control over the sound it produces. Roll-off and attenuation controls are included, as well as a bass roll-off switch, 15 millivolt preamp attenuation switch and minus 10 decibel pad. And the application BM800 microphone is ideal for both vocal and instrumental performances. As a result, it is practically an all-rounder microphone that is ideal for any sort of studio recording. The microphone features a metal body made of aluminium alloy, making it both robust and dependable. It is also a lot of fun to hold in your hands, according to this BM800 condenser microphone. And it performs admirably throughout the board. The microphone comes in a package with a shock mounting bracket and a foam cover for the microphone itself. Its body seems solid and long lasting. It will not come apart in a strong breeze. When it comes to looks, there are a few different variants to choose from, but they all have the same modest aesthetic. The anodized blue with silver accents is a nice touch. Let's talk about design. The BM800 condenser microphone has a very premium design. The body appears to be made of aluminium, but the gold-plated mesh section is made of steel, as we discovered when we tested it with a magnet. It has a slight weight to it, which contributes to the overall premium build quality. BM800 is a unidirectional microphone, which means you must aim it in the correct direction to make a good recording. It requires phantom power and connects to your audio interface through an XLR connection. So be sure you have the proper gear before investing in this mic. There are other variants that use batteries and other options. So in conclusion, the mic is for all intents and purposes a great bargain. While it is not the best condenser microphone on the market, it will meet or surpass the needs of the ordinary user, according to this BM800 condenser microphone review. If you are not sold on the concept of studio quality or the added cost of power supply, the battery powered version could be a better fit. In any event, the BM800 is a fantastic microphone at a low price. It will provide if you pay attention to the specifics while buying. We hope you liked our BM800 condenser microphone review and it was helpful. So that's it from now. If you like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications update. Thanks for watching.